Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be working on how to clone objects. This is going to be a relatively short video, but it has a pretty important topic. So first you're going to want to place down your part here, which we use in practically everything. I don't think we need to name it anything, but we'll just get a script and a click detector. So basically we are going to make it to where when you click this part, it's going to clone the part. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to do. And I will also show you how to set the position of the clone and all that stuff. So we'll start off with script.parent, which is part.clickDetector.mouseClick connect, and then we create a function. For anyone who doesn't know, this pretty much just means that whenever the mouse is clicked on this click detector, which is the part, whenever the player clicks on this part, it's going to activate this function, which is whatever is in between this area, between the end and the function. And what we're going to do there is we're going to make a copy, which, well, it's actually a clone. You can call this whatever you want. I'll call it copy, though. That's pretty much just the name of the clone in the script. Local copy is equal to script.parent clone, like that. And then you can say something like, oh, by the way, you don't have to call it copy. You could call it anything. Like, for example, I'll call it roach killer in this example, which is just a random word that I, for some reason, had in my head. Roachkiller.parent is equal to workspace. We'll just set it to the workspace. Roachkiller.name is equal to random part. Or if we want to actually go with the name, you could call it roach begone. That is the worst. Okay. This is just to make the video more interesting. Okay, so pretty much what this will do, you'll see in a second here. Okay, so what this will do is this. It will make a bunch of copies. Each of them you can click on and it'll clone the thing more. You can knock it over if you can, maybe. Yeah, I can. Yep. And all of these are in the workspace right now, like this. All of them are called Roach Begone, as you can see, because that is what I named it. This is a little bit chaotic. I'll show you how to organize all that and everything like that. So we're going to create a folder. You can call this folder anything. I'll call it clones, just to organize our clones. Instead of setting the parent to just workspace, we're going to set it to workspace.clones. And yeah, I might shorten this. No, I won't shorten it. I won't mess with it. And also, we need to set the position of our roach killer to a part. So we need to set the position of the part to somewhere else. So you'll set this part over here somewhere, and I'll call this spawn, just a random name to separate it from the rest. Roachkiller.position is equal to workspace.spawn, right there. And that should work fine now. Yep. Okay, let's go test. Okay, so here we have the clickable part. That one is the other part. Oh, wait, is that the wrong one? Hold up, I did something wrong here. Let me go check the script. Workspace.spawn. This one is spawn out here. It's setting roachkiller.position. Hold up. What did I do wrong here? Oh, I didn't add .position to this. That is a very important part of the script that I just missed. Sorry. Don't forget that. I make the mistakes, that way you don't have to. And now you can see here that it makes a bunch of the clones over there, and it's fallen over. But you can see now that it is making all of the clones over in that area now. That is the end of this video. and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.